In the upcoming years, the e-commerce economy is expected to continue its upward trajectory and rapid growth. As an entrepreneur, this opportunity for success and sustainability is exciting, promising and intriguing. Whether you've already been involved with the launch of an e-commerce business in the past or are looking to get involved with your first venture, now is the time to get your foot in the door. If you want to make your e-commerce business successful, then you must watch this video step by step to the end without skipping. While the e-commerce economy is poised for significant growth in the coming months and years, you can only expect to see results if you approach it in the right way. That means focusing on the following critical tips for e-commerce success. Before watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. 1. Don't rush the launch. One of the biggest mistakes unsuccessful e-commerce entrepreneurs make is forcing or rushing the launch of a website. You only get one shot at launching your website and you can't mess this up. While it's okay to purchase your domain name and throw up some sort of coming soon page, you should avoid the big reveal until you've laid some substantial groundwork: SEO, content marketing, social media, paid advertising, etc. 2. Put the focus on the user. It's no secret that the biggest shortcoming of e-commerce businesses is the inability to let their customers touch, feel, smell, and see, firsthand, products before making a decision. While there's currently no solution for solving this problem, you can compensate for this deficiency in other areas of the business. Some of the best tips include offering appropriate pricing, giving free shipping, and making the checkout process easy with simplified shopping carts. 3. Test absolutely everything. Before, during and after you launch any e-commerce business, you should invest in testing and analytics. Think like the customer and figure out what's working, what's not, and the why behind those answers. 4. Work closely with social. Any e-commerce entrepreneur that tells you he outsources social media or delegates it to other team members is crazy. Social media is the heartbeat of your business, as it gives you an uninterrupted glance into the lives of your customers. While it's perfectly fine to have a social media manager, it's pertinent that you're involved with it, too. 5. Incorporate social elements. Going along with the previous tip, it's a great idea to include social elements on your e-commerce sites. Things like product reviews and testimonials, follow buttons, and even social login options all help the conversion funnel. 6. Go mobile. Bill Shivitsky of internet retailer references Goldman Sachs, saying, "Tablets will play an increasingly important role as worldwide consumer spending via mobile jumps from $204 billion in 2014 to $626 billion in 2018. If you aren't building e-commerce businesses with mobile in mind, you may be irrelevant in 3 to 5 years. 7. Stay on top of SEO. As the e-commerce economy experiences rapid growth, more and more businesses will be entering this increasingly crowded space. That means it will be more important than ever to stay on top of SEO in order to stand out from the competition. Connecting with a skilled SEO will help you stay competitive in the long run. 8. Collect information. Unless you plan on launching a single site and stepping away, most entrepreneurs are tempted to keep trying. It's critical that you collect customer information and build databases to aid future launches. 9. Continue evolving. Finally, never stop evolving. Technology, trends and customer tastes will change, and so must you if you want to succeed in such a variable market. With these 9 tips, you can be well on your way to becoming a successful e-commerce-based entrepreneur. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.